Good morning everyone. Now we will discuss about breathing in different animals. Yes, breathing in different animals and plants. So first of all we will discuss about aquatic animal fish. Yes, fish breathe with the help of gills. Fish breathe with the help of gills. Gills are the projections on their body and they have a network of tissues. They have a network of blood vessels. And with the help of these blood vessels, the oxygen directly which is dissolved in water, absorbed by the gills and reaches to the blood vessel. So fish breathe with the help of gills. They are rich in the blood vessels and the oxygen present in water directly absorbed by the gills and carbon dioxide is given out by their body and absorbed. It is dissolved into the water. Now if we were talking about the cockroach, cockroach breathe with the help of tiny pores on their body and these tiny pores are known as spiracles. These are the spiracles and the body of the cockroach, they have a network of tissues. They have a network of air tubes. These air tubes are known as trachea. These air tubes are known as trachea. So oxygen which is absorbed by the, going inside their body with the help of the spiracles, they will directly, with the help of the trachea, with the help of these wind tubes, they reaches to the each and every cell of their body. Earthworm breathe through their moist skin. Yes, earthworm breathe through their moist skin. With the help of their moist skin, they take the oxygen present in air. It will dissolve into their body and carbon dioxide comes out. Frog, it is an amphibian. Frog is an amphibian. So, it can respire with the help of their lungs as well as with the help of the gills. So when the frog is in water, and gills at the tadpole stage. Gills at the tadpole stage and with the help of the skin when they are in water. Means when the frog in water, it respire through their skin, moist skin. When at the tadpole stage, the frog respire with the help of the gills. And when they are at the land, they respire through their lungs. So these are the different modes of respiration in different animals. Now the question is there, do plants also breathe? They also do the respiration? Yes, the answer is yes. Plants also do the process of respiration and the exchange of gases take place in plants with the help of stomata. Yes, with the help of stomata. Stomata are the tiny pores. These are the tiny pores on the lower surface of the leaves. And with the help of these tiny pores, exchange of gases take place for the respiration as well as for the process of photosynthesis. Yes, for both the process, the exchange of gases take place in plants with the help of stomata. So different animals, different living organisms have different modes of respiration, but all living organisms do respiration to obtain the energy from the food. Yes, we do the process of respiration to obtain the energy from the food. Good morning everyone. Now we will discuss about how do we breathe. Yes, how do we breathe? We breathe with the help of our nostrils. Yes, we take in the air, oxygen-rich air with the help of our nostrils. So first of all, we take in the air which is rich in oxygen with the help of the nostrils. From the nostrils, the air passes through the nasal cavity and reaches to the lungs. Yes, the air which is rich in oxygen enter into our body with the help of the nostrils. Then from the nasal cavity, it will passes and reaches to the lungs. From the lungs, it will reaches to the lungs with the help of the windpipe or the trachea. Yes, first of all nostrils, after the nasal cavity, and after that the air passes through the windpipe. From the windpipe, it will reaches to the lungs. Lungs are present in our chest cavity. They are present in our chest cavity and they are surrounded by the ribs. They are protected by the ribs and that ribs forms the rib cage. Okay, so lungs which are present in our chest cavity that are surrounded by the rib cage, and the lungs also at the base, the floor of the lungs have a muscular sheath, and that muscular sheath is known as the diaphragm. So when we're talking about breathing, breathing means one inhalation and one exhalation. So breathing means inhalation and exhalation, or we can say breathing means movement of that rib cage and diaphragm. Yes, breathing means movement of rib cage and diaphragm. During the inhalation, when we just intake the oxygen rich air into our body, during the process of inhalation, ribs move up. Ribs move up and diaphragms move down. So when the ribs move up, diaphragm moves down, there is a large space and the air filled into it. And during the process of exhalation, ribs move down and the diaphragms move up. So that's why it create a pressure and the air comes out from our body. So in very simple sense, breathing means inhalation plus exhalation, or we can say breathing means movement of our rib cage and the diaphragm.